Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is August the 6th, 2018, and I wanted to show you, this is a butterfly weed here. This is a perennial butterfly weed, and this one is orange. It does come in other colors. I don't have the other colors, I just have the orange. And this is a butterfly magnet. The butterflies really like it. So do the bees. There's some more up here. Now it grows, you can grow this from seed. This will actually produce a seed pod. There's none on it right now. But it'll produce a seed pod, and the seed pod will actually break open, and you'll have these little seeds. Will be like brown colored, and they'll sort of look like a disc in a way, and they'll have like white fuzzy things on the ends of them. And as the wind blows, it'll just blow the seeds around. So it can be kind of invasive because of how readily it reseeds itself. But I really like it. It's a beautiful plant. It's a beautiful flower. Very different flower. Very unique. I did see a monarch caterpillar on it the one day. It was eating some of the, pretty sure it was a monarch. I don't think it was a swallowtail. Pretty sure it was a monarch. And it was eating the leaves, so I just left it go because I don't mind if it eats them. That's here for the butterflies and for the bees and different things. So there's one over here that's more. This one's just starting to come and open. And with all the rain that we had this year, it just made it bloom beautiful for us. Normally by now it would be done, but it's still going this year. And it has a lot of younger plants to it. There's some back there. And it doesn't like to be moved. So if you do move it, just be careful of the root system. It has like a tuberous root system sort of to it. But I'm in Pennsylvania in zone 5B, and it does come back for me here, so it is a perennial for this area, and I just want to share it with you here. And it's a very lovely flower. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button all the times I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.